Part 5 Naukhanda Palace. Actually, it is a bit difficult to reach this place according to Google Maps, as it took us past Ghati Hospital and then close to Aurangabad College of Women. From this place, one cannot reach Naukhanda Palace. We tried a lot to reach this place but couldn't locate it. Asked many rickshaw drivers, even they didn't know. Started to think, does this place exist now? But on Google Maps there were photos of this place, so this palace has to be there. Showed the pics to the auto drivers, even most of them didn't know. Later on, one of them directed us to this place properly. On the Aurangabad road, which is Maharashtra State Highway number 8, a small narrow lane goes towards Model High School in Aurangabad. The ruins of this palace is located within the campus of this school. So parked the bike at the entrance and informed the security that we had come to see the Naukhanda Palace, after which he did our entry and allowed us inside. We have to pass through the school building as this palace is behind the school building. Past it you will see few houses behind which this palace is present. The caretaker lives there and makes the entry of people visiting this place, and this is still under the family of Nizams of Hyderabad. Nawab Mir Kamruddin Nizamul Mulk Asaf Jah I coronation was done here on 31st July 1720. This place has been built by Malik Ambar and Alam Ali Khan, the governor of Aurangabad, reported to have added extensive additions to this palace during Aurangzeb's rule. Aurangzeb during his early stay in Deccan have stayed in this palace. The audience hall of the palace is situated in midst of a pleasant garden with water channels and fountains. The innermost enclosure is the most extensive part, but its audience hall and garden are in ruined condition now. The central enclosure is in comparatively better state of preservation, and it is at the hall of this enclosure that a carpet of Asaf Jah is kept on display. The hall comprises of several apartments, and the roof of it is supported by wooden pillars. The architecture of this hall is of late Mughal style, the salient feature of which is apparent in cusped arches. This palace is said to have 9 apartments, out of which 5 zanazas, 1 diwani am, 1 diwani khas, 1 masjid and a kacheri. Most of the parts of this palace is in ruins, only the central part and the masjid remains. Diwani am was demolished and a medical college of Aurangabad has been constructed there. This place now has Aurangabad College for Women's.